What's going on, guys? So Halloween's right around the corner and we got the great idea to do some pressure washing on some pumpkins. So let's see how it turns out and see how good our artistic carving skills are with a red tip, a turbo nozzle, and an 8 gallon a minute 3500 PSI machine. Alright guys, let's carve some pumpkins. Okay, did not work as good as I thought. So let's go ahead and destroy this one and we'll set up for another one. Nailed it. Alright, so that didn't work very well. So now let's try a turbo nozzle. It's gonna be twice as bad. What a turbo nozzle is, if you don't know what it is, imagine a red tip and a huge pattern. It spins in a circle. So let's carve a pumpkin. Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, we had 2 more pumpkins. I'm 100% positive we're gonna destroy them. It's not gonna work carving them, so let's just destroy them. That's it. We nailed it. There's a mouth, some eyes. Yeah, buddy. Alright guys, that pretty much does it. As you can see, we completely nailed this pumpkin carving contest. You know, as you can see behind us, it's pretty wrecked. I wouldn't say we did a good job. I wouldn't say we could have done any better. But, alright guys, so that was our pumpkin carving contest. You can see that we used 8 gallon a minute, a red tip, a turbo nozzle at 3500 PSI, and I think we did an awesome job. As you saw before, we mutilated the pumpkins. It was a lot of fun. If you want to see us cut something else with the pressure washer, let us know below. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, guys, thanks for watching.